Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the Fluent Flow Podcast. I am your host and your English study partner. How are you today? Today, we are going to talk about the week. This is a very common topic in English conversation. When you see a friend, you ask, "How was your week?" In this episode, I will tell you about my week, and we will practice the past tense. The past tense is for things that finished. It is not difficult. Are you ready to practice? Sit back, relax. Let's start the show. Let's start at the beginning. Monday. For me, Monday is always busy. How about you? On Monday morning, I woke up early. Phrase number 1. I had a busy day. Repeat after me. I had a busy day. Had is the past tense of have. I went to my studio and I recorded a new podcast episode. It was hard work. Phrase number 2. I felt tired. Felt is the past tense of feel. By the end of the day, I felt exhausted. Then came Tuesday. Tuesday was better. Phrase number 3. I was productive. Was is the past tense of am. I finished all my emails and I cleaned my kitchen. Phrase number 4. I got a lot done. This means I completed many tasks. It feels good to be productive. Now, the middle of the week. Wednesday. In English, we call Wednesday hump day. Imagine a camel. The camel has a hump on its back. Wednesday is the hump of the week. Once you climb over Wednesday, the weekend is close. On Wednesday evening, I needed to relax. So, phrase number 5, I stayed home. Stayed. This is a regular verb. We just add ed. Stay, stayed. I stayed home and I read a book. Then Thursday. Thursday is almost Friday. Phrase number 6, I met a friend. Met is the past tense of meet. I met my friend Sarah for lunch. We went to a lovely cafe. Phrase number 7, we caught up. To catch up means to talk about your lives after a long time. We talked and we laughed. It was nice. Finally, Friday arrived. Everyone loves Friday. There is a famous phrase in English, TGIF. It stands for, Thank God It's Friday. On Friday night, I was very happy. The work week was finished. Phrase number 8, I took it easy. To take it easy means to relax, to do nothing. Phrase number 9, I ordered pizza. Pepperoni pizza, my favorite. Phrase number 10, I watched a movie. I love movie nights on Friday. Did you go out on Friday or did you stay in? Tell me in the comments. Now, the best part, the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday morning, phrase number 11, I slept in. To sleep in means to sleep later than usual. I woke up at 10 a.m. It was amazing. In the afternoon, I did some chores. Phrase number 12, I cleaned the house. And phrase number 13, I did the laundry. Not very fun, but necessary. And today is Sunday. Sunday is for resting. Phrase number 14, I am resting. I am sitting here, drinking tea, and talking to you. Phrase number 15, I am preparing for next week. I like to plan my week on Sunday evening. Now, my friend, I want to hear from you. This is your turn to practice. Think about your week. Was it good? Was it busy? I have a question for you. What was the best part of your week? Was it meeting a friend? Was it eating pizza on Friday. Think about it. Now, try to answer out loud. Say, the best part of my week was... I am listening. That sounds wonderful. Thank you for sharing with me. Remember the verbs we learned: had, felt, was, stayed, met, took, slept. These are past tense verbs. Try to use them this week. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to the Fluent Flow Podcast. It helps the channel grow. Have a beautiful week. See you next time. Bye-bye.